This video will cover hepatosplenic T-cell lymphoma. The anchor for this one is easy. The hepato portion is obvious. Just look at the shape of this submarine. And doesn't the word submarine sound like spleen? It's also green, which will help us remember lymphoma, since lymph things are usually represented in green. Lastly, to remember T-cells, look at what our character is snacking on. Some good old taco cell fast food. Since taco cell sounds like T-cells, that's what we're gonna use. Notice that this captain here is a little too young, don't you think? Well, this is because this lymphoma primarily affects young men, just like this character. But why is he so mad? Maybe they have him working too many hours or something. But for us, it's going to help us remember that this is a neoplasm that has a particularly aggressive clinical course. This neoplasm consists of CD8 positive gamma delta T cells. CD8 positive is represented here by this gate, since the word gate sounds like the number 8. The gamma and delta T cell receptor is represented, of course, by this self-serve kiosk that somehow made its way to the ocean and is still working. Impressive. Since kiosks are basically just receptors, that is what we're going to use to remember T-cell receptor. And to remember gamma delta, well, that's what the screen is saying, so let's go with that. This lymphoma is associated with trisomy 8, and as in other videos, trisomy is represented by tridents since they have the same first 3 letters. And the fact that these tridents are part of the gate will help us remember trisomy 8, again because gate sounds like the number 8. Alright, now the last thing to remember is that this lymphoma is also associated with isochromosome 7q. Chromosome is represented by, well, this chrome DNA statue here. Maybe that's the treasure our character is looking for. Not much explanation needed for this one, and this statue has not just one but 2 halos above it. Like in other videos, halo represents the number 7 since the number 7 sounds like the word heaven, and well, halos are associated with heaven. The fact that there are 2 identical halos will remind us of the iso portion of isochromosome 7q.